Most authors know they should be creating video content for their books, book trailers, author introductions, promotional content for social media. The research on what drives book discovery in 2026 is clear: video matters. But here is the reality most authors live in. Hiring a video production crew for a single book trailer costs thousands of dollars. It's an investment many can't justify. Recording yourself on camera requires equipment, lighting, and editing skills most authors do not have. It's a steep learning curve, and once you've created a video, you are locked into one language, one look, one format, which is a major limitation. Reaching a Spanish-speaking audience or a French-speaking one means starting the entire process over from scratch. That's a lot of work. A tool called HeyGen has changed that equation entirely. It's a game changer for the publishing world. Today I want to show you 4 specific things HeyGen can do for authors, and by the end you'll know exactly where to start. The first and fastest way to create in HeyGen is through its AI agent, a feature that builds a complete video from one prompt. No scripting, no storyboarding, no scene-by-scene planning required. It handles the heavy lifting for you. You sign into HeyGen at HeyGen.com. On the home screen, you'll find a prompt box that simply says, "Describe your video idea." You type what you want, and the AI agent generates the structure, the script, the visuals, and the voice delivery in seconds. Here is what specificity does for you in this prompt. The more direction you give, the more closely the output matches your vision. For example, you might write, "Create a promotional video for a book called The Watchman's Call about a pastor who changed his city. Show civic courage, community transformation, and faith in action. The tone should be urgent but hopeful." The AI agent responds by generating scenes and producing a structured video ready for your review almost immediately. You are not starting from scratch. You are editing from 80% of the way there. It's about refinement, not creation. You can select from a library of public avatars, filtering by age and style, or use your own cloned avatar, which we'll cover next. For a publisher, this is the difference between creating one book trailer per quarter and creating one every single week. The AI agent generates the raw structure. Your editorial judgment shapes it into something genuinely compelling. Once the AI agent generates your video, you click Edit in AI Studio to take full control of the output in HeyGen's editor. The layout is straightforward. On the left is your script. Click into any scene and type to rewrite, tighten, or completely change the language. In the center is a live preview that updates as you make changes. At the bottom is a timeline showing all your scenes, which you can reorder, duplicate, or delete. On the right is your control panel for avatar, background, captions, and music, specifically useful for authors and publishers. The script editor lets you replace generic AI language with your book's actual vocabulary, tone, and themes. The background controls let you generate a custom AI background, describe the visual environment you want, and HeyGen builds it. For a spiritual warfare book, you might describe a dramatic sky at dusk. For a devotional, a warm study with morning light. The motion engine controls the energy of the avatar's gestures. Choose a setting that matches the tone of the content. The AI agent gives you the foundation. The editor gives you the final say. Every element of the video is yours to adjust before you export. The most personally powerful feature in HeyGen is avatar cloning, the ability to create a digital version of yourself that can speak in your voice. Head to the Avatar tab, click New Avatar, and choose Clone a Real Person. For the best quality, use your phone, but a good webcam works well. You read a short script naturally, the way you would in a real conversation. The quality of your clone depends on how expressive your recording is. HeyGen processes the recording, learning your vocal patterns, your facial movements, and your unique speaking style for authors. Record your clone once, and that clone can introduce every book you write for the rest of your career. It's that simple. A new title releases. You write a script, feed it to HeyGen with your clone, and have a finished video in minutes without a new recording session. HeyGen also allows you to change the look and environment of your clone. Same voice, same face, but a different wardrobe or visual atmosphere. Your clone works for you around the clock. Once it is trained, every video you need is just a script away. Once you have a video you're happy with, HeyGen adds a capability that changes the reach equation for any publisher with international ambitions. HeyGen can translate any video into more than 175 languages, including automatic lip syncing, without any additional recording. The same author promo, the same visual production, in Spanish, French, Mandarin, German, Portuguese, Korean, as many as you need. For publishers with global distribution, this is a meaningful capability. Reach readers across Latin America, Europe, and Asia with a fraction of the time. For individual authors, your YouTube channel and promotional videos can now reach readers in their native language. You have a path to readers you could not reach before. One video, one production investment, 175 potential audiences. That is not just a feature, that is a global distribution strategy. Not every author wants to be on camera. HeyGen addresses this directly with its virtual character builder for faceless branded content. Instead of cloning a person, you can design a fully animated character, choosing the style, appearance, and voice, and use it as your brand's presenter. You give the character a name and personality, and HeyGen generates variations. Select the one that fits your brand and assign it a voice. A publisher could create a named character that represents their brand. That character introduces books and hosts educational content without anyone having to be on camera. This is the path for authors who want to build a YouTube channel but are not comfortable on camera. The character becomes the host, you write the scripts. Faceless does not mean impersonal. A well-designed character builds genuine connection, and it scales without production constraints. 4 capabilities, 1 tool. Here is how to know where to start based on your situation right now. If you need content at scale, start with the AI agent. To build your personal brand, clone yourself. For global reach, use translation. And for faceless content, build a character. HeyGen is available at heygen.com. There is a free tier for getting started and paid plans for the full feature set. The link is in the description. At Nori Media Group, we believe publishers who understand these tools now will have a genuine advantage. Video is not optional anymore, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Follow Nori Media Group for more. Drop a comment below which of these 4 capabilities would make the most difference for you right now. I read every one,